Hi parents, this tutorial is all about ClassDojo student portfolio and how to get the most out of it. When your child opens their Chromebook, they can see the ClassDojo icon at the bottom of their screen. When they click on it, it should take them directly to their ClassDojo student account. If it doesn't, if it takes you here, click on the green scan QR code, click Allow if it prompts you to use your webcam, and then scan the QR code that I sent you to your Dojo messages for your child. And if you don't have it, text me and I'll send it to you again. Once you scan it, it should take you back to this page, your student's personal ClassDojo portfolio. So here we are in your student's portfolio, and they can see how many dojo points they have. They can customize their monster. They can see everything that I post on School Story. But the most important part that I want to show you today is the to-do section. If there is anything in the to-do section, that means that there is an assignment waiting to be completed. And this assignment was given on a Monday, and it's a math exit ticket. Instructions are in English and Spanish. To complete this, students press the blue Start button. In this case, the assignment is a PDF of a math worksheet. Sometimes there might be a link, a YouTube link here that I want the kids to watch. And maybe I want them to send me a video recording. The assignments vary, parents and students. But for this one, they are going to fill in this number bond for the pictures that show 5 is one part. Now let's say your child doesn't yet know how to read. This is a video of me explaining the directions. So all students have to do is click on this video to know what to do. Let's watch the sample.
Hi scholars, for this math exit ticket, you are going to fill in a PDF that looks like this. And you're going to use the digital pen tool to write on this worksheet. So step number 1, count the total number of footballs and write the whole amount in this big box. Step 2, circle 5 footballs and...
You get the point. I'm basically explaining exactly what the students need to do for those who can't yet read or will not have an adult present to read it for them. The digital pen tool is this one here. Use the smallest circle. That way I can understand what you're writing. If it's too big, it will just look like a big blob. So students have to fill in the number bond. First, count the total number of footballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And write 9 in the whole amount box. Let's say your child makes a mistake. They can click the back undo button. For instance, if they wrote 8, but they got it all messy, they can just click undo. If it's easier for them, they can click the capital T, click inside the box, and type 9, if that's easier. Or they can just use the pen tool to write 9. Next, they have to show 5 as one. Oh, see? I made a mistake. Let me undo. Next, they show 5 as one part. And so that means that they circle 5 and write 5 in the box below. Or they can type 5 in the box below. What's left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is left over. So 4 would go in this other box. And now they have a complete number bond. If they make a mistake, they can either press undo or the erase button. So the erase button lets them, let's use a big erase. The erase button lets them delete, but we don't need to do that because we did it nice and neat. So that's it. Once they complete their number bond, they hand in the assignment, turn it in, and then when they're back on their home screen, there's no more to do, which means that the assignments have all been turned in. If there's another to do, the students can work on the next to-do. But here, there is no more to do. And that's it, friends. That's how you complete an assignment on your to-do in ClassDojo. Thank you. Bye-bye.